Fully automatic CNC door lock machine, jxautocnc.com. This machine adopts fixed cylinders at both ends to press materials. Side processing can be fully open on both sides. Door panel size is not limited. With automatic thickness measurement and automatic tool setting device. Dedicated door lock system touchscreen operation. Built-in multiple door locks and hinge design gallery. It also supports combined graphics processing and code scanning processing. Front slotted, side slotted. Door closer guide plate processing.